But the charger gonna be long. Charger, I don't know. We need to coin. I don't know. But charger, I'm not. So, but the laptop looks good. Very beautiful. It's HP, Intel Core i5. 8th generation Intel Core i5.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Okay.
Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes. Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Maybe. Add layout.
Which language do you want to use for your second keyboard layout?
Tigrinya. 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 You don't have Tigrinya? Tigrinya. Maybe you don't have Tigrinya, right? Okay, yeah, Tigrinya. Here it is.
Which keyboard layout do you want to add?
Okay, add layout.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
No. No. Yeah, this one.
Now type your credentials.
Oh, what the internet already. Internet look password.
كم طم؟
إذا كان هلا نبزغ السل نبزغ سل ولا أنا على سل زل يعني نسأل قدافي رفتح قدافي
هي حج كم حارش له جمة؟
بزم
Now we have some important setup to do.
HP laptop, Intel Core i5 8th generation, so it has 1 terabyte hard drive storage, 16 gigabyte 8th generation Core i5, 4GB DDR4 system memory, 4GB RAM.
Now let's see what's
Very
new
good.
from Windows.
Very good.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can
Accept.
type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
What? Sign with Microsoft. Microsoft create one now.
Let's get an account going for you. You can use your own email address, or we can help you create a new one.
Rufta. Interior email, okay. Gmail.com, okay. This already. is already please try. Rufta.
Type your email address or phone number,
Please.
then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
Gmail.
خرّها هيك في الوقت.
Rufta. Ini fẹ́ kwarti. Dia usah dulu jawab lah. Aku harus ini.